Imagine unlocking the blueprint to your biggest deals yet. That's the power of account-based marketing, ABM. In this episode, we are revealing how ABM can catapult your B2B SaaS from the shadows into the spotlight, turning potential accounts into your most valuable partners. Stay tuned as we dissect the 7 top ABM strategies that promise to revolutionize your approach and deliver unparalleled success. Intro. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexej and I help SaaS founders scale. The topic of account-based marketing is super close to my heart. As a founder of a multiple award-winning SaaS marketing agency, having worked with 50 plus SaaS businesses, I know exactly how crucial it is to include ABM in your digital strategy, particularly for B2B SaaS business. If you're not doing ABM, you're doing your business a big disservice. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I drop an episode once a week with insights from companies we work with, venture-backed or bootstrapped SaaS businesses all around the world. We work with companies backed by YC, Sequoia, Carlyle, Lightspeed Ventures, Northzone, and many other top VCs and private equity funds. In this episode, I'm going to share with you the top 7 of the best B2B SaaS account-based marketing strategies which have been successful to me as a business owner and as a founder of a marketing agency. If you're excited to dive into that first strategy, go ahead and press that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We put a lot of energy and sweat into those videos, so that algorithm boost really helps us. On position 1 in the list of the 7 of the best B2B SaaS account-based marketing strategies is identifying high-value accounts and creating target account lists. Zeroing in on high-value accounts is where ABM starts. It's about leveraging data to spotlight those with the highest lifetime value, LTV, beyond just ready buyers. Dive into your customer base, dissect data to unearth patterns that sketch your most lucrative engagements. For instance, are they in a specific industry? Do they face a similar challenge? Do they have a similar size? These insights shape your ideal customer profile for the ABM strategies. With your ICP, the hunt begins. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is key, pinpointing companies that match your criteria. Yet, the quest extends beyond digital. Industry forums, trade show lists, business news are the treasure troves for finding these high-value prospects. A real-world example is Salesforce, where they showcase the power of data-driven targeting. They segment the market, identifying industries ripe for their CRM solutions. Their approach goes beyond engagement. It's about building lasting partnerships. Salesforce strategy demonstrates the effectiveness of informed decisions. A crucial channel which allows them to get everyone together is the Dreamforce conference. That is where, after all the digital marketing and all the outreach they do and nurturing, they bring in their top clients together and spend time with them in a physical place. Of course, that event is also crucial for new client acquisition and the development of their Salesforce ecosystem. On position number 2, interactive demos and personalized gifting. Interactive demos coupled with personalized gifting create a powerful duo for deepening engagement. Demos offer hands-on look at your solution, tailored to address the specific needs and pain points of your target account. This direct interaction not only showcases your product's capabilities, but also demonstrates your commitment to solving their unique challenges. Following up a demo with a personalized gift can significantly enhance the relationship, adding a touch of thoughtfulness. Whether it's a custom piece related to their business or a thoughtful item reflecting shared interests, this strategy leaves a lasting impression. A real-world example is Zendesk. Zendesk leverages the strategy effectively by customizing demos to highlight how their platform can streamline customer support process. Post-demo, Zendesk often sends personalized gifts, reinforcing the key messages from the demo and showing appreciation for the prospect's time. Another example is a good friend of mine, Jordan Schlossberg, the founder of an HR tech platform called Atlas, and previously having founded the Series B startup Prosapient, he's sending champagne bottles to the founder of every startup in the UK which announces a funding round. Given after a raise, the startup has the funds to hire more people, this personalized gifting approach helps Jordan to get the attention of the founder who receives the nice bottle of liquid. If you want to learn more about how Jordan Schlossberg grows his business, please check out the episode in our SaaS Minds podcast with the link below. Now on position 3, utilizing customer success stories. Sharing customer success stories is a potent way to showcase your solution's impact. These stories provide concrete examples of how your product addresses specific challenges, delivering value and driving success. By highlighting the journey of similar companies, success stories make it easier for prospects to envision achieving similar outcomes with your solution. Select stories that resonate with industries and challenges of your target accounts, maximize relevance and impact. This strategy not only captures attention but also builds credibility and trust in your solution. Asana effectively uses customer success stories to illustrate how their project management tool enhances productivity and collaboration. By sharing detailed narratives from various industries, Asana demonstrates its versatility and effectiveness, encouraging prospects to consider how it could benefit their own teams. These success stories serve as a powerful testimonial, bolstering Asana's value proposition. This approach can be done really well by having the video testimonial on your YouTube channel, for example. By the way, we discussed that in quite a lot of detail on our webinar we did on how SaaS companies grow via YouTube. See the link below. Now, if you learned something from the video already, and if you're still watching this, chances are you are, which is amazing. Please leave a yes in the comments below. On position number 4, leveraging multi-channel marketing. Success in ABM isn't confined to a single channel. It's about omnipresence. Your brand needs to resonate across every platform your target accounts frequent. This means harmonizing your message across email, social media, direct mail, and even in-person events to create a seamless narrative. A multi-channel strategy ensures your brand isn't just seen, it's experienced, building a comprehensive brand presence that engages your target account at every possible touchpoint. The key here is consistency and cohesion. Whether it's a targeted ad on LinkedIn or engaging webinar, each piece of content should reinforce your brand's value proposition. This approach not only amplifies your presence, but also solidifies your brand in the minds of your target account. Airbnb's multi-channel marketing strategy during the Live There campaign isn't a prime example of harmony in action. They synchronize their message across TV, ads, social media, and email marketing to encourage travelers to live like a local. This cohesive narrative across channels not only amplified their reach, but also significantly boosted user engagement, showcasing the power of a unified multi-channel approach. On position 5, targeted emails with personalized content. Targeted emails with personalized content cuts through the digital noise, delivering messages that resonate on a personal level. This strategy leverages insights from your ICP to craft emails that addresses their specific needs, challenges, and opportunities of each recipient. It's about making every email feel like it was tailor-made for the reader, showcasing your solution's relevance to their unique situation. A great example is our growth agency in SaaS, NUOPTIMA. We send out a lot of emails with a bespoke video which shows us going through the website of the prospect, its performance in terms of organic and paid traffic, conversion rates, and technical performance. We then show the same across a few of the other competitors. This approach is highly personalized and provides a lot of value upfront. On position 6, revenue expansion through account relationships. This approach isn't about the quick win. It's about investing substantial time and resources into a select group of high-value accounts. By focusing on these key relationships, you're not just retaining customers, you're setting the stage for strategic upselling and cross-selling. This isn't about pushing products. It's about understanding and meeting evolving needs, offering solutions that genuinely add value. HubSpot is a great example. HubSpot exemplifies revenue expansion through strategic account nurturing. By deeply understanding client challenges, HubSpot offers an evolving suite of integrated solutions from marketing automation to CRM. This approach not only secures customer loyalty, but also encourages the adoption of additional services, driving organic revenue growth. And before I cover the last strategy, please hit that like button. On position number 7, play the long-term game. Account-based marketing demands patience and a strategic outlook. It's a methodical approach contrasting the rush for quick results with a commitment to cultivating lasting relationships. Implementing ABM involves a significant dedication of time and resources, not just to attract, but also to meaningfully engage with select accounts. Celebrating incremental achievements keeps the momentum alive, reinforcing that progress is being made, even if not immediately visible. Now, as we wrap up our top 7 strategies, remember, account-based marketing is like navigating a vast ocean with a fleet tailored for precision rather than volume. Each strategy we've explored is like a sail designed to catch the wind of opportunity and steer us toward the shores of success. Like a seasoned sailor, we use the stars of data, content, and personalization to navigate, ensuring every interaction is a step forward in our journey. Remember, the goal isn't just to reach our destination, but to chart a course that others will follow, transforming prospects into loyal crew members on this voyage of growth. So, after this poem, one more quick recap of the points discussed. On number 1, identifying high-value accounts and creating target account lists. On number 2, interactive demos and personalized gifting. Number 3, utilizing customer success stories. Number 4, leveraging multi-channel marketing. Number 5, targeted emails with personalized content. And number 6, revenue expansion through account relationships. And number 7, play the long-term game. Feeling better prepared for creating your account-based marketing strategy? NUOPTIMA is one of the leading SaaS growth agencies out there. Book a call with us and we can help you review your ABM strategies. Imagine having a dedicated partner to help you sift through all these options, pinpointing the perfect starting point based on a thorough analysis of your competitors and your market landscape. As an investor, I thought I knew everything, and I thought we were the smartest guys in the room. But it's only after becoming a founder myself, raising capital, scaling businesses, and working with so many other founders that I really understood how to best get my dream account to sign up with us as clients. Having worked with so many SaaS businesses, amazing founders, great CPOs and CMOs, I got a great insight into what strategies work and what strategies might not be the right fit for you. Let's join forces to transform these strategies from concepts into concrete results. Just pick a time and a date from the link in the description. I drop an episode like this with strategies and concepts for your business once a week. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get notified every single time I release an episode. If you have a fellow founder, if you have a team member, if you're part of a Slack group, Telegram, or WhatsApp group with other founders that could get value from this video, please share this with them. I want to help as many founders as possible to scale their business. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm Alexej and I will see you in the next episode.